How to transfer your Roblox account to another device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Roblox to another device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, you will actually need to open up your another device. In your another device, simply open up your Roblox. So I'll just open up Roblox here. Head over to roblox.com or simply open up the app. After you open it up, you will be on this section. Now, all you have to do to transfer your account is simply log in. To log in, you'll see a login button on the top right corner. Tap on it, and now all you have to do is type in your username, email, or phone number, and then your password. After you do that, simply tap on the login button to log in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.